Greetings, everyone. Your presence here today brings joy to my heart. We gather in this moment to embark on a 5-minute journey, a voyage into the realm of inner peace. No matter where you are on your meditation journey, whether you're stepping onto this path for the first time or have tread upon it many times before, this guided meditation is designed to cultivate a sense of serenity within you. So, feel free to find a comfortable position, preferably with a straight but relaxed back. Now, shift your focus to the rhythm of your breath. Picture it as a calming wave, flowing delicately, synchronized with life's cadence. As you inhale, your lungs accommodate clean and revitalizing air, nourishing every minuscule cell inside you. As you exhale, envision the release of tensions, worries that you've been holding on to. Take a profound breath in, letting tranquility and serenity fill your entire body. Retain it for a moment, recognizing this breath as a unique gift of life. Then, gently let it flow out, exhaling, liberating anything no longer benefits you. Relish the sensation of your lungs expanding and contracting, the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your mouth. Repeat this cycle: inhale, hold, and exhale. Do it several times at your own pace. There's no rush. With each breath, you'll find yourself becoming more centered, more grounded, your awareness anchored in this very moment. Let yourself get lost in the rhythmic dance of in and out breaths. Each inhalation is an opportunity to infuse your body with new energy, with every exhalation inviting a deeper sense of relaxation. Surrender to the rhythm, let it guide you. Sink deeper and deeper into relaxation, feeling the tension away. This process of breath awareness is a powerful mindfulness tool, a method of transformation that can bring about profound inner peace. Enjoy the soothing impact of your deep rhythmic breaths. Every inhale brings in revitalizing energy. Every exhale invites deeper tranquility. This is the power of breath awareness, a simple yet profound tool for cultivating inner peace. Now, you're going to guide your attention through your body. Imagine a soft, warm light radiating from the top of your head. This light is your focus, your attention. As it gently flows down, it illuminates every part of you, one by one. Your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your lips. It moves down your neck, shoulders, and arms. It continues down your chest, your stomach, reaching your hips, thighs, and finally your feet. As this light touches each part, notice any tension you may be holding on to. Maybe it's in your brows, your jaw, your shoulders, or somewhere else. It's okay. Recognize it. Acknowledge it. Now, consciously choose to let it go. Give your body permission to relax. Release the tension and feel it dissolve under the gentle warmth of your attention. Let any tension you notice melt away. Embrace the comfort and peace that comes with relaxation. That's it. You're doing great. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale the peace we've cultivated. Exhale any remaining tension. Feel the rhythm of your breathing as it ebbs and flows, a natural tide within you. As we draw towards the close of this meditation, let's take a moment to express gratitude. Gratitude for the breath that sustains us, for the peace within us, and for the time we've taken today to nurture that peace. By choosing to meditate, you've given yourself a precious gift, the gift of tranquility, the gift of self-care, and the gift of inner harmony. You've embarked on a journey today, a journey towards inner peace. And remember, this journey doesn't end here. With every breath you take, with every moment of awareness, you're taking another step on this path. You're cultivating serenity, sowing seeds of tranquility that will continue to grow and bloom within you. Take a moment now to acknowledge your efforts. You've shown up for yourself today. You've taken the time to nourish your mind and spirit. That in itself is a beautiful achievement. So thank you. Thank you for being here, for being present, and for being a part of this shared experience of peace and mindfulness. As you open your eyes, carry this serenity with you. Let it infuse your day with calmness. Let it guide your interactions with others. Let it be a soothing balm in times of stress or uncertainty. Remember, you can always return to your breath. Return to this moment of peace. This peace isn't just in this meditation, it's within you, always accessible, always waiting to be embraced. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to forget about our inner peace. But just like a garden, it needs to be tended to, nurtured, and appreciated. So I encourage you to make time for it, to prioritize your peace, to come back to your breath. Remember, meditation isn't a destination, it's a journey that begins and ends with the breath, a journey that you can embark on anytime, anywhere. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute journey to inner peace. Remember, with practice, you can cultivate this feeling of serenity anytime you need it.